Google Personalizes AI search with Gmail and AMP. Photos integration, Google is rolling out a new personalization feature for its AI-powered search, allowing users to connect there. Gmail and Google Photos accounts to receive more tailored results. This feature, dubbed Personalized Intelligence, expands upon the existing AI mode in search, where the AI acts as an agent to find answers on your behalf. How it works? Smarter AI through your data. The core idea is simple. The more Google knows about you, the better its search results can be. When enabled, the AI can analyze your email history and images to prioritize recommendations relevant to your preferences. For example, if you're shopping for sneakers, the AI might highlight brands you've previously purchased based on your Gmail records. This isn't a default setting. It's an optional, opt-in feature for Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers in the US, and will soon become available for free and non-US users. The personalization feature builds on Gemini's existing ability to retrieve information from across your Google ecosystem, but now with improved reasoning capabilities. Real-world examples. Beyond basic search, Google claims this goes beyond just surfacing relevant links. If you ask Gemini for tire recommendations, a standard search will provide generic options. With personalization, the AI can analyze your calendar, camping trips, and photos, off-roading, to suggest all-terrain tires. This is a clear signal that Google is doubling down on AI integration in its core search engine. Data privacy. What Google says, Google emphasizes that the feature is off by default. You choose which apps to connect: Gmail, calendar, photos, etc. The company states it will not use your entire inbox to train its AI models, though it may leverage limited info from your prompts and responses to refine the service over time. This aligns with Google's broader privacy policies. Why this matters? The future of search, the move toward personalized AI search, is a natural progression. Most of our important data exists in fragmented formats: emails, photos, videos, PDFs. Google's multimodal AI, powered by Gemini 3, is designed to bridge these gaps, providing uniquely tailored answers. This is not just about convenience. It's about Google refining its search algorithms to anticipate user needs before they're even expressed. The long-term implications for privacy and data control remain to be seen. For now, the feature offers a glimpse into a future where search engines become increasingly integrated with our personal lives.